Good morning, children. Today is 5th of June, a very special day for all of us. This day is celebrated all over the world as World Environment Day. This program was adopted by United Nations in 1974 to create public awareness and to protect our environment for present and future generations. Every year, a theme is selected. The theme focuses on specific topic of environment concern. The theme for 2021 is Ecosystem Restoration. Let us try to understand the meaning of the theme. Ecosystem means a group of living organisms, including plants and animals, that live in and interact with each other in a specific environment. There are many ecosystems in the world like forest, grassland, desert, river, wetland, etc. Each ecosystem is made up of soil, sunlight, water, different species of plants and animals. Restoration means the action of returning something back to earlier condition. So, ecosystem restoration means helping or assisting in the recovery of the ecosystems of the world that have been destroyed or degraded by various human activities such as deforestation, poaching, pollution, depletion of ozone layer, use of chemical fertilizers and pesticides, burning of coal and mineral oil, etc. These activities are leading to imbalances in the ecosystems. Global greenhouse gas has risen tremendously in the last few years, causing the temperature of Earth's atmosphere to increase. Glaciers are melting gradually, and if this continues, the sea level will rise and many low-lying areas will be submerged. There are also extreme climatic changes like droughts, floods, etc., which are threatening the livelihood of farming communities all over the world. Many animals like the polar bear, monarch butterfly, koala, ringed seal, etc., are on the path of becoming extinct due to the destruction of their natural habitats. We all know that the COVID-19 pandemic has caused the deaths of 1 million people all over the world. This is a very sad reminder of how ecosystem degradation can contribute to the emergence and spread of new viruses that have not been seen earlier. So, to fight and prevent these kinds of emerging global conditions and protect human lives, there is an urgent need to restore our ecosystems. Now, restoration can happen in many ways. We can take small steps such as planting trees, reduce the use of electricity by using energy efficient bulbs, save water, recycle materials, stop the use of plastic bags and use reusable bags, save petroleum and reduce emissions by walking, cycling, or using public transportation, minimize the use of paper, consume organic foods. Farmers should use natural fertilizers instead of chemical fertilizers, protect wildlife, use solar energy for domestic purposes, etc. It is essential for all of us to realize that every little deed matters when it comes to saving the environment. No matter how small a step we take, it does make a difference. Because if everyone starts doing little deed one by one, it will turn into something big. Our small steps will help in building up a healthy environment free from pollution and diseases. We must always remember that nature has given us priceless gifts, and it is our responsibility to protect them and conserve them for a better future and life for all. Thank you.